introduced to the Holi. Children love playing with colors using pitchkaris, buckets and balloons filled with color water. Holi celebration began with the Holika Dahan ritual that is celebrated to honor the burning of Holika. According to the Hindu religious text, the playing of the celebration of Holi was started by Lord Krishna and Radha. Different states of India celebrate Holi in different ways, and each celebration is very unique and beautiful. This festival gives out the message of the good vibes, brotherhood, and positivity. I wish you all a very